And continuing, guys, the part 2 of the prop. The difference here, for example, from this one, it's that we don't have a lot of color variation here. Basically, seems that we have a 1 tone, 2 tone, basically, and a gradients maybe. So without a lot of color variation. So of course, the roughness also reduce the roughness, the reflection, and also the variation of the colors, and the color it's more to yellow, but that's okay for me. So let me, for example, I could turn off these guys, for example, and the base color, the roughness 0.85 maybe, yeah. And the cavities, basically, it's also more optimized at the cavities, and the AO. Yeah, it's something more simple. And this guy we could, for example, make something like that, reduce the intensity, the MD baked light, we could remove if we want also. These highlights, let me see, yeah, and the gradients we could reduce a little bit also. It's something more this way, and paint a color here, and we're gonna have the edge, the highlight more marked. It's a good way if you want, but I don't want it. I prefer this study that I have done. I press Ctrl Z, yeah, I like it, but of course the roughness, let me increase to 0.8, and the color variation maybe could be something more to yellow. No, let me reduce. I think that just only one. Yeah, maybe this one can be. But I like it, this one, this way. Hey guys, just to remind you that we have new premium course every month uploaded on Udemy and Skillshare, where you can access a lot of different content for you learn, improve, and grow as an artist. We have all of our courses available to watch and learn from right now, new workflows, techniques, tips and tricks, and now learning from industry veterans and experts. You can check the description down here, and Skillshare is offering 1 free-month trial to the premium membership. With this membership, you are going to be able to access all of our courses and watch and learn all of these amazing things that we cover with all of the softwares. So what are you waiting for? Check our course down here below. The cavity, I could turn off the edge also to create something more specific. Let me see here. Yeah, the color light now I'm gonna turn off. The gradients, the AO. Yeah, but I like it. For now I'm gonna keep it. Let him set 25 here. Can be 45. I'll just have a low variation. Yeah, that's okay. So I'm gonna turn on the other side. this guy or yeah, that's okay. Let me create a new folder, wood texture, and drag and drop all it into this folder. So now I can copy this folder, Ctrl C, delete the base, and Ctrl V. And they're gonna have it. Let me turn on this guy. Yeah, I think this isn't good. Gonna turn off this guy here. And basic color, let me keep 75. I like a little bit of more of roughness. Let me turn on this guy, and I can copy the wood texture and paste the layer and make the same thing with these other guys here and here. So now we can create a variation if we want. Let me see. Yeah, we can change the color base maybe. For example, try to set more yellow, maybe too much. Let me see here. A little bit. And the middle also, oops, just the base color. And the top, the middle and bottom. Let me see. Yeah, something like that. Let me select the middle base, Ctrl C, and paste here just to check. Yeah, more yellow, it's better maybe. Maybe something more like, yeah, can be. Let me add 100 and see it also to create a variation. Oh yeah. Let me reduce to 50. And more yellow maybe. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, here 50. Yeah, it's a little better. Of course we could increase a lot this part, maybe the color more on the extremity, but that's okay. You have a good variation here. Let me see the gradients. 70 can be, and also the position. I can increase it a little bit. 2.6. So to have these gradients. Let me make the same thing with this part here to create a variation. Of course I can invert if I want to create a color variation, and here I can add a more yellow color maybe to create an aspect that we have a light hitting here. Instead multiply, I can set in screen and reduce. We have a infinity possibilities, but this is not the idea. I press Ctrl Z Ctrl Z, invert, yeah, position, something like that, and I could add another color, blue, something more like blue. Sometimes it's good. Yeah, so that's cool. Yeah, I think that's okay. Let me go to base color. Yeah, we could paint handily if you want. More landmark on these parts, create a better transition here if you want, but that's okay. Or add some dots to create a variation, but that's okay. I really like it, very fast and simple. It's a little red here, but that's, yeah, that's okay. And this blue color will bring more to red aspect. Let me add a purple, maybe it will be a little better. And this part here is too intensive. The top. Let me see here. It's the edge, this guy here. No, but I like this variation. Base, the roughness, yeah. So yeah, that's cool, guys. I really like it. It's simple, just to make some tests and relax and play a little bit with that. That's cool. And that's it, guys. I think that we have finished it. The cool part is that if we want, we could create smart material and apply it for another mesh, another props, and make changes very fast. I really like it. So yeah, just we could pose a little better this part here, but that's okay. That's okay for now. Very simple and effective. Yeah, maybe it's all too dark, but that's okay. Yeah, it's enough. So is it, guys? And in the next tutorial, we're gonna see how we can present it into another software. So see you in the next tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this short series. Seems that it's simple, but isn't simple. To understand it, it's necessary to repeat the process. And I really love the wood effect and aspects. Maybe we could duplicate that and create another part and connect here. So yeah, it's possible. So maybe here it's a little red, but of course here we could spend a lot of time and make different aspect more yellow, or remove a lot of variation, this aspect. We could paint here a little better. We could create different aspects, for example, for different parts, but I think that this is not the focus. This is not the objective. Here is more to play a little bit and have fun with this different workflow. So I hope you have enjoyed it, and see you in the next tutorial.